Good morning, y'all. Just put up the whole deal, pick up a couple orders, go down to Naples. Everyone's trying to get their last minute supplies before the hurricane or tropical storm, whatever it is, hits. Whatever. It helps people out. But the dude that's trying to get me to pay him to do my YouTube SEO, trying to get me to pay for Google ads. And I get it, y'all. You probably grow your revenue more once you pay for some ads, but just like I tell every one of them that try to hit me up to sell their services, because that's all they have to do is sell their services, because they have no other value to add. Like, bro, I'm not paying for ads. YouTube is not my business. I simply put out information that I think will benefit society. If people want to take that information and utilize it to get a better quality of life, that's on them. Just like with these TikTok videos and these YouTube videos. I don't do it for the monetization. Yes, my channels are monetized. I made a little bit of money, not enough to pay me, but it doesn't matter. I don't do this for revenue streams. I do this because if you actually pay attention to my videos and can understand me somewhat, or at least get the general gist of what it is I'm sharing with you, the information will help you get a better quality of life, get more out of life, own your life, stop being a slave, working for someone else, trading your time for money in your life. Create more financial freedom, create better health, better wealth, and get more time and enjoy life. But seriously. Well, most people don't own their lives. They're allowing somebody else to own it for them. I'm walking to Home Depot, so subscribe, like, share, comment, send those super thanks, and the diamond on the gift. Y'all have a wonderful day.